Hey guys, we got a work order today for a deadbolt. It's an automatic deadbolt. It's an easy lock, push button one. So just on my way to depot to pick up another one. I've tried to fix this before. I've taken it apart and cleaned the buttons and everything else, but the buttons just aren't working. It's about 8 years old, so to be expected, I guess. We'll go to depot, pick up another one, and go change that out. I also have another job I need to do. A customer put an automatic closer. I don't like the one they've put on there, but anyway, it kind of ripped the trim off. So we're gonna go look at that too and see what we can do, and I'll get back to you. All right, I'm at the door opener job here. This is the kind they just mount to the frame on the outside. Obviously they didn't use long enough screws because it ripped the whole trim off, but this is all builder grade trim, so I won't be able to replicate this. I'll suggest that we find new trim for the door. I'll put on the closer that is actually in the hinge of the door. It'll take a couple days. I'll have to come back in a couple days and do it. I'll give her a price for it. See what she has to say. She also wants to turn this door into just an opening. They took off the door. They just want clean casement all around. So I'll have to take that out. That'll be another day, obviously, as well. But yeah. It's funny, my father-in-law just called. He says he needs his back brakes done too. So what I think I'm gonna do is, I got a phone call for a clog drain today later on. I need my trailer for that, so I'll go do that, and then I'll video that as well, but probably a separate video just to get more content, you know. And then from that, tomorrow I'm going to do the brakes on my father-in-law's car. It's funny, I haven't worked on cars in like forever, and you start a YouTube channel and you get 2 little jobs like that right away. That's weird. Anyway, I don't only do it for like friends and family, things like that. It's not really something I do all the time as handyman DIY kind of thing, but I try to show you guys everything I do in a day anyway. So what I'm going to do is that I'll do the brakes tomorrow, and then I also have a lease signing I have to do. I'll probably get that done tomorrow evening as well, and then the following day I'll go tackle that other door, the the door closer. Yeah, so that's what I have planned, and I'll get you some shots. See you in a bit.
Hi Scott, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, and what about you?
Good.
Just a little bit, I think, of cold.
It's going to be a little bit cold probably because I got to keep the door open, but I'll get it done.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening because it's...
Well, sometimes dirt gets up in behind there, and also it's an older unit, so...
Yeah. it gets worse. I don't know if it's something regarding that. Because you came in, I think you cleaned and you changed the battery and it was working better.
Yeah.
So then it's started again. I don't know.
Well, that's just the last ditch thing I gotta try before I change it. So.
It's flu season now. Like I work with kids and
Yeah.
we have 8 classes and only 3 babies were at school.
Oh, really?
Everybody's sick. Yeah.
They don't got COVID, do they?
No. But pretty bad.
Oh.
You feel very tired.
Yeah, it's weird coming here and you're actually home.
Yeah, exactly. You're never home. This bottle of nail polish remover, I think that's yours. Because
Oh, did I leave it there?
yeah.
I probably left it for you.
Thank you. Because like I have mine, that's not mine, it's not mine. Oh, maybe this one.
Yeah.
know if William told you, but we just got an invitation to apply for permanent residency.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Probably see us around for a couple of some more years.
I think I saw something about that. There's a bunch of new visas opening or something.
Yeah, they are offering some thing that they call targeted draws. So
Right.
like for professionals that work in areas that they are interested. So William is working with educational counseling. So he's in the healthcare area, and they want the healthcare workers.
Yeah.
And then that's why like we got an invitation.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, so I think it was like last Thursday.
We always want the good people to stay, you know.
That's nice. We are looking forward to it. Been planning for that for about 5 years now. So I hope everything goes okay.
All right, just gotta program it. Okay. Okay, you should be all set.
Thank you so much for
No problem.
that. You have a
I'll take that.
yeah, it's yours.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a great week.
You too.